Hello, welcome to this video. In this video we will discuss how to run a script PowerShell script for the first time. So open up your script. This is the script that I just wrote, and I want to run this script, and I already saved the script with port test.ps1 as extension. So press flag and press X, and then click command prompt admin here, and then click yes, and then type PowerShell, and then enter, and then start now. So get the execution policy first. Do this first and see the execution policy is all signed now. So this type of execution policy is not allow your script like this, your own script to run on the PowerShell, to be run by PowerShell. So let's do this. So let's for instance run the script, and you can see the result. And enter. Now you can see on the category info, the error is security error. So this is mean the security error is not digitally signed. So the file, the port test.ps1 is not digitally signed. So the script will not be execute on the system, and so cannot be loaded. So the reason is you cannot run. That's the security policy of PowerShell. You cannot run your own made script with this type of execution policy. So let's open here. There are four type of execution policy. I will show I will show you. First, restricted. PowerShell won't run any script. This is PowerShell's default execution policy. So in the second, AllSign, PowerShell will only run scripts that are signed with a digital signature. If you run a script signed by a publisher PowerShell has not seen before, PowerShell will ask whether you trust the script's publisher. So RemoteSigned, PowerShell won't run script downloaded from the internet unless they have a digital signature. But scripts not downloaded from the internet will run without prompting. If a script has the digital signature, PowerShell will prompt you before it runs a script from a publisher it has not seen before. And the last is unrestricted. PowerShell ignores a digital signature but will still prompt you before running a script downloaded from the internet. So we will down level to remote sign execution policy. So let's go back to your CMD, and now it's time to set execution policy. Run this command and type this remote sign and space and type remote sign. And you know this why we run with an administrator privilege. And now enter. So you can run this command if you not you not use administrator in this PowerShell. You cannot run this execution policy space remote sign. So you cannot change the execution policy. So now let's do the run. Press up. So now let's press up arrow key twice and go to this command again and enter. So it's now run, although this have a error that is from another error, invalid operations. So it is by calling exception, by calling this problem is result from this one, the object system. So I have another so let's run another script. So let's build another script. So press flag and press R and type notepad. This is the simple one. So basically write host hello world, just like that, and save that as save as. Right click save as and click the save as type and click all files and click simple ps dot and ps1. Remember this, the extension, remember the extension, and click enter. And now it's time to run that. Now it is on the same directory here, so I still use my another programming, so programming folders here, another programming language folder here. So now run the simple ps.ps1 here. So type the file name simple ps.ps1 and closing quotes. So now it's run hello world. So you can also enter something with host, enter your age, enter your name maybe, and save that into a variable, so name variable, and equal sign, and then write that down again. Okay, Mr. or Mrs. Your name. I got you back. Okay, so for instance like this, and save. First press Ctrl key and S character key, and go back to the CMD again and press up arrow again once and press enter. So now hello world, enter your name. Now your name Mr. Smith maybe. Okay, Mr. or Mrs. Smith. Okay, we cannot do not use this. Actually, I want to show that this is how you run a script for the first time. If you need to set the you need to set the execution policy to remote sign, and then run. There's another way, you can also run using. Okay, that's it. I think that's enough for really how you change how you solve the security error using change from the AllSign to remote sign execution policy. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe or like or comment down below. Thank you.